guys, so today I'm going to talk you through making your very own wood furniture polish, and it's so simple. You just need 3 ingredients. I've got olive oil, I've got white vinegar, and I've got my essential oil. So that's all you need. You're going to have a 1/4 cup of white vinegar into your spray bottle. And just pour this. Isn't Arbovitae, it's actually white vinegar that I bought from a shop that uses recycled bottles. So I'm just going to pour the white vinegar in. Okay, now we're going to do our 1/4 cup of olive oil. Pour that in. Now, with your essential oils, you could use wild orange, you could use lemon. I'm using Arbovitae, and I really love this for the furniture. It's Arbovitae. It smells divine if you like the smell of wood, so which is great for a wood polish. It comes from the tree of life, which grows for about 1,000 years, this tree, and when it dies it never rots, and that's because the properties of this oil, its essential oil that's in its bark, just do not allow anything else to grow on it. It's amazing. So for cleaning around the home, it's a really good choice. So I'm just going to put 10 drops into my mix. And it's as simple as that. Put it all together, give it a good shake, and then you can use this just to freshen up the wood around your home. So let's give it a go. We'll spray it on. Oh, would help if I could turn it on. It's a new one. There we go. Give it a good spray and wipe down. Smells amazing. Let us know how you get on with yours.